Hello, my name is Jay Flynn, the Division Chief for Physical Security with the United States Army Garrison Ansbach. In order for you to register your vehicle, there's a few things we think you should know. We are open Monday through Friday from 0800 till 1500. We are closed on American holidays and the last duty day of the month. We do take walk-ins from 08 to 1100 on Monday and Thursdays only. All other times we require an appointment. To make your appointment, please visit www.bookabr.timetap.com. When you're making your appointment, make sure you select the appropriate appointment type. You will then receive a confirmation email of your appointment and a customized checklist showing you what documents you should bring. Most important is the insurance. If you will be changing license plates for any reason, or if this is your initial registration, please contact your insurance company ahead of time and request a blank insurance card. Without this blank insurance card, we cannot complete your process. If this is your first vehicle you are registering within the USER system, we will need a copy of your orders. All other vehicles, we will not. If your spouse will be registering the vehicle for you, renewing the vehicle, she will need a power of attorney. A general power of attorney will suffice. Every vehicle brought into USER must be registered. This includes your motorcycles and recreational vehicles that ship with your household goods. Please make an appointment to register those as soon as you receive them. You will also need to bring your USER driver's license with you. If you will be registering a motorcycle, your USER driver's license must have the appropriate motorcycle endorsement. In addition, soldiers will need to provide the Motorcycle Safety Foundation card. All others, just the endorsement. For contractors, we will require that you bring your SOFA card with you and show it during the time of your transaction. Thank you and welcome to Ansbach.